Discover the future of learning. Welcome to LiteraNova, the revolutionary app designed to make students' unique learning experience smart, fun, and deeply engaging. AR Nova. Step into AR-powered learning adventures. Immersive stories powered by augmented reality that brings lessons alive. From literature to the wonders of science, every story is a journey waiting to be explored. Learning is faster and more fun with our interactive flashcards. Quick, engaging, and perfect for mastering key concepts. Ask Nova, our AI-powered chatbot. Have a doubt? Need a quick explanation? Just ask Nova, our 24/7 artificial intelligence-powered learning assistant ready to guide students through any challenge. SimNova, simulations that let students experiment freely. Experience the thrill of discovery with realistic simulations. Students learn by doing and watching experiments with real-time results. Virtual Tour, taking students places. Travel back in time with our virtual tours and explore historical places. Learning from the past helps one prepare smartly for the future. 2D and 3D audio-visual, fascinating animated content that help understand concepts better. Our audio-visual content combines engaging storytelling with immersive visuals and interactive elements, making learning dynamic, relatable, and unforgettable. Nova Expert, solving doubts with a deeper understanding. Our Nova experts solve doubts instantly. They are here to ensure no question goes unanswered, helping students clear doubts and queries as they progress through their learning journey. Nova Assess, interactive assessments that keep you ahead. Interactive and adaptive assessments that test skills and adapt each student's unique learning level. Every quiz is a step closer to mastery. Integration with LiteraHub, one-stop hub for all unique learning needs. The entire unique learning experience converges at LiteraHub to ensure the holistic learning experience is complete in every manner. Offline usage with no internet, because learning should never stop. LiteraNova offers offline, interactive and innovative audiovisual content paired with engaging learning resources and hands-on activities, fostering a multidimensional and personalized learning experience. It integrates storytelling, discovery, and gamified approaches to ignite creativity and holistic development. Parent and teacher monitoring. Track progress holistically. Celebrate achievements with our holistic progress report. Teachers and parents closely monitor the students' learning growth along every dimension like knowledge, skills, and competencies. Play Nova, games that teach, entertain, and inspire. Challenging interactive games that combine education and entertainment. Mastering skills while having a blast. LiteraNova, your gateway to holistic learning. Empowering the students' unique learning journey with technology, creativity, and innovation. Join the LiteraNova revolution today.